Hello students and welcome back to the Suji sir class. Today we are going to discuss about the contribution of agriculture in GDP. So agriculture, how it is useful and what are the contribution to the Indian GDP that we are going to discuss about it. And before that, some historical background I want to say you. Agriculture is the most important sector of Indian economy. India agriculture sector. It accounts for 18% of India's gross domestic product or GDP and provides employment to 50% of the country's workforce. India is the world's largest producer of pulses, rice, wheat, spices and spice products. The historical background is agriculture in India, even if we see in the Indus Valley civilization and even before that in some places of southern India, India ranks second worldwide in farm outputs. As per 2018, agriculture employed more than 50% of the Indian workforce and contributed near about 17 to 18 percentage to country's gross domestic product or GDP. Even in 2016, agriculture and allied sectors like animal husbandry, forestry and fisheries accounted near about 15.4% of the GDP. With about 31% of the workforce in 2014, India ranks first in the world with highest net cropped area, followed by US and China. The economic contribution of agriculture to India's GDP is steadily declining with the country's broad-based economic growth. Still, agriculture is demographically the broadest economic sector and plays a significant role in the overall socio-economic fabric of India. And you might understood about agriculture is the backbone of economy in India because more than 50% of population or the workforce in the agricultural sector. A decreasing contribution to GDP since 1961 to 2001. Government, what it is doing? Modernizing the agriculture. Government is modernizing the agriculture, right? So with the scientific method of agriculture. Indian Council of Agriculture Research was also set up, and that is called ICAR. It also helps with agricultural universities and veterinary services. Veterinary means what? The animal hospitals, where animals are treated well, and animal breeding centers are also there. Hi everyone, how all are you? Welcome to the Suji sir class, and I request everybody to suggest me and comment about videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for everything. The animal breeding centers R&D in weather forecast. R&D means research and development in weather forecast. And next, important in rural infrastructure, the contribution of agriculture in GDP, that we have discussed some of the points, and next we are going to discuss about the important topic is challenges faced by Indian farmers. There are a number of challenges day by day is increasing for the Indian farmers, but some of we will discuss here. Many more Indian government are also the measures are brought, and it's also very fruitful and worthy. So let's see what are the problems here. So here is a international competition. The important challenges that we are discussing, that is international competition and low investment by Indian government. Low investment by Indian government and even challenges in irrigation, water supply, and even for the power, and even rural roads and markets. So these are the points already you have seen. Otherwise you just screenshot and you can watch it later. Subsidy in fertilizers and production in cost. Right. So subsidy, fertilizers, subsidy, even for the production cost also. The challenges faced by Indian farmers. Low import duties, low import, our local products are import very low. Low demand for local product or produce. Demand of local products are very low. And even farmers, low investment and low employment in the agricultural field. And some other points you can see that small and fragmented land holdings by the farmers, and even they face challenge for seeds, manures, fertilizers, and even biocides like insecticides and pesticides, and even irrigation, and even lack of mechanization, right, machinery. And even soil erosion is another important problem in Indian farmers. And for the agricultural market, another problem and another challenge. Inadequate storage facilities and even scarcity of capital. Capital means here we think about the money which invested for agricultural activities or production activities. Next, inadequate of transport the local products to the market. So these were some of the important problems and challenges faced by Indian farmers. And next topic we will discuss tomorrow. Till then, be at home, be safe, have a nice day.